Every year, Apple drops a new iOS update with one or two flashy changes that everybody talks about. But here's the thing. With iOS 26, yeah, we've got the big liquid glass design and Apple Intelligence doing translations, summaries, even custom emojis. Super cool. But the real magic, it's in the little hidden tweaks that Apple barely mentions, those subtle changes that can totally reshape how your iPhone feels day to day. What's easier to overlook are the quieter tweaks Apple doesn't spend much time talking about. They don't dominate the stage at the Worldwide Developers Conference, but they can quietly reshape the way your iPhone feels in daily use. So let's dive into 10 hidden iOS 26 features you're probably missing out on. 1. Change the default snooze duration. You know how Apples have always had that weird 9-minute snooze? Turns out, it's a leftover from old mechanical alarm clocks. But finally, in iOS 26, you can change it. Open your clock app, pick an alarm, scroll down to snooze duration, and set it anywhere between 1 and 15 minutes. It only applies per alarm, but hey, at least now you're in control. 2. Create a custom ringtone. GarageBand hacks? Forget about it. Now in iOS 26, you can make a ringtone in seconds. Just open the Files app, pick any MP3 or M4A under 30 seconds, hit Share, and choose Use as Ringtone. Done. You'll find it right under Settings/Sounds and Haptics. You can even assign it to a specific contact. Nice touch. And 3. Copy only part of a text message. Sometimes you don't need the whole message, just a code or one line. Now you can press and hold on a text bubble, tap Select, and drag to highlight only the part you want. Copy it, paste it, no more grabbing the entire essay. And 4. Turn photos into 3D spatial scenes. Photos just got way cooler. With spatial scenes, you can turn any picture into a 3D-like view with depth and motion. Open a photo, hit the spatial toggle, and tilt your phone. It's like stepping back into the moment. Number 5. Search screenshots with visual intelligence. This one feels like magic. Take a screenshot, open it, and now you'll see 2 new buttons. Ask, which lets you send it to ChatGPT with a question, or Image Search to find matches on Google. You can even highlight a specific area to target. Plus, iOS will suggest smart actions, like adding events to your calendar or finding shopping results. It's all on device unless you share it out. Seriously, handy. Number 6. Take a photo with your AirPods. Yep, your AirPods just became a camera remote. With the camera app open, double tap an AirPod to snap a pic. Perfect for group shots or when your phone's across the room on a tripod. Number 7. Check the weather with no service. Out hiking or stuck in a dead zone? iOS 26 has you covered. The weather app now taps into satellite connectivity, giving you basic forecasts like temp, rain chance, or alerts, even without cell service. Look for the little satellite icon. It means your iPhone's reaching for the sky. 8. Screen incoming calls. Android fans have bragged about this for years, but it's finally here on iPhone. When an unknown number rings, hit Screen Call. You'll see a live transcript of what the caller's saying, then decide to answer, decline, or send it to voicemail. No more guessing who's on the line. 9. Add backgrounds to your texts. Why keep your chats boring? In iOS 26, you can set unique backgrounds for your iMessage threads. Open a chat, tap the name at the top, choose backgrounds, and pick a color, gradient, photo, or even generate one. It totally changes the vibe of your conversations. 10. Edit PDFs with Preview. Finally, Apple gave us Preview on iPhone. Now you can highlight, sign, annotate, or even rearrange PDF pages directly in the Files or Mail app. No sketchy third-party app required. About time. And that's just a start. These are only the first 10 hidden features in iOS 26. Little things, yeah, but they add up. Which one's your favorite so far? Drop a comment, and if you're into these quick iOS breakdowns, make sure to hit subscribe.